In the wild, the skunk is small, but it carries one of nature's strongest defenses. Its bold black and white stripes warn predators to stay back. When danger gets too close, the skunk raises its tail and releases a powerful spray from special glands near its tail. This spray contains strong sulfur chemicals that can burn the eyes, cause temporary blindness, and create an unbearable smell that lasts for days. Even large predators like hyenas and wolves hesitate to attack, knowing one wrong move could leave them coughing, disoriented, and covered in the awful odor. The skunk survives not with strength, but with one of the most effective chemical weapons in the animal kingdom.